Let's see what 1 pound of snow crab legs, of course with butter and lemon, do to your blood sugar. All right, let's dig in. All right, folks, all done eating. 2 hours later, here are my results. So, pretty interesting. I started off at 96 milligrams per deciliter for my glucose, and it actually dropped down 4 points to 92 milligrams per deciliter. And I am surprised by this. I had butter and lemon. Maybe the lemon juice kind of helped out a little bit, but this is good to know. And yeah, definitely a food that I plan on eating in the future. Make sure you subscribe and comment any foods that you want me to try out and show the results for. Awesome, guys. Thanks. Bye.